Hello, class. In this video, I really want to quickly take time to answer the questions that were posted. They were on number 24 and 25, and they dealt with equations. So I went ahead and I kind of came up with my own. And they're dealing with solving the equations of trig functions. So let's say we had cosine x equals 0.2. This is where we're going to use the inverse cosine. The inverse cosine will cancel out the cosine, so to speak, and this part you will type into your calculator. Now, the problem does ask for two solutions. So when it comes to cosine, we have to remember that on the unit circle, that's a terrible unit circle, but we'll go with it. Cosine is positive, negative, pardon me, let's go negative and positive. So it will have unique solutions in the first and second quadrant. Well, if it's negative over here, it's just going to be the negative of the first solution we got. So anytime you're dealing with these problems, kind of the shortcut to solving these problems is calculate cosine or inverse cosine of 0.2, and then the problem already fills it out for you, but these will happen every 2 pi intervals. But also it will tell you if you're supposed to expand beyond the original unit circle or not. So the other one would have been a sine function. So let's do sine of 0.2, or sine equals 0.2. Well, same idea. We're going to use the inverse sine to solve this problem. Okay. Now, again, it should come with two unique solutions. We have positive in the first quadrant, and we have positive in the second quadrant, and then we have negative for sine. Now, because it's positive in the first and second quadrant, the problem is not as simple as just applying the negative in front of the second solution. But remember that our inverse sine only applies to the first and fourth quadrant, and anything we've got here will also reside here. Okay, now this is seen as negative pi to pi. So this will be seen as also negative pi to pi, but in the opposite direction. So what we're going to do to find this is we're going to take x equals pi minus inverse sine of 0.2. So to summarize, when you're looking for the two solutions for cosine, it's inverse cosine of 0.2, and then the opposite of that answer. And then for sine, it's inverse sine of 0.2, and then take whatever that solution is and subtract it from pi. Thanks for watching.